নতুন হলিক্স উইমেন্স প্লাস যি ক্যালসিয়াম আৰু ভিটামিন ডিৰ 100% দৈনিক প্ৰয়োজন পূৰণ কৰে আৰু হাড়ৰ শক্তি উন্নত কৰি তোলে 6 মাহতে।
Meghalaya government has reappointed RM Kurbah as the Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills district on 24th June. This change is part of a broader reshuffle affecting numerous key positions across various state departments. Kurbah, who previously held the position, takes over from SC Sadhu, who was appointed during the recent Lok Sabha polls. This swap mirrors a similar change that occurred following the assembly elections in March 2023, highlighting the government's strategy of rotating officials in crucial positions. As part of this transition, Sadhu will now serve as Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya in multiple departments, including Community Rural Development, Fisheries, Animal Husbandry, Veterinary, and Water Resources. He will also assume the role of Director of Community Rural Development.